Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to back up WhatsApp on Android. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your WhatsApp on your phone, and then after you open your WhatsApp, you can click on this button on the top right corner of your screen, and then choose settings menu right here. And then after that, there will be several options for you, and you gotta hit chats menu right here, and then click on chat backup over here, and you gotta hit this backup option. But before you back up your data, you have to choose the Google account that you want to save your data in, and then you can also hit this button to include videos to your backup. All right, and then after that, you can click backup right here to back up your data to the Google account. Okay guys, that's how we can back up or WhatsApp data on Android. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.